This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 56. Why safety changes glucose use. Glucose is not used the same way in safety and in threat. Biologically, the body has two different energy strategies. When safety is present, glucose is used efficiently. When safety is absent, glucose is used defensively. Under chronic stress, the nervous system prepares for survival. It assumes energy might disappear, so it changes priorities. Glucose is redirected toward rapid response, muscle readiness, vigilance, inflammation control. This keeps you functioning, but it's expensive. Blood sugar may rise, but availability drops because energy is locked into protection. This is why people can eat enough, have normal labs, and still feel exhausted. The problem is not intake, it's allocation. Safety changes this. When the nervous system perceives predictable safety, cortisol demand drops. Adrenaline quiets, circulation improves, insulin sensitivity increases, glucose is no longer guarded. It becomes available for cognition, digestion, repair, emotional regulation. Nothing magical happens. The system simply stops bracing. This is why rest alone doesn't always restore energy. If safety is missing, rest is metabolically inefficient. And this is why gentle consistency often works better than force. Safety is not comfort, it is predictability. When the body can predict that energy will continue, it spends it differently. If your energy returns slowly, if regulation comes in waves, nothing is wrong with you. Your metabolism is relearning that it doesn't have to defend every moment. Thank you.